Okay, so I thought I'd just throw together this video on how to get CloudFront working with Media Cloud. It's very simple, very straightforward. There's a lot more you can do with CloudFront, but that's not the purpose of this video, and it's on you to set up CloudFront in anything more than this basic way that I'm going to show you. So if you're planning to use a custom domain like cdn.yourdomain.com or whatever, the very first thing that we're going to have to do is create an SSL certificate in the Amazon console. So I'm going to, you got to make sure when you do come in here that you're in the North Virginia region. Doesn't matter where everything else. Most of the stuff I do here is in Singapore, but you have to generate these certs in North Virginia. So I'm going to first request a cert, and the domain is going to be mycdn.mediacloud.dev. I choose DNS validation. I click review. I click confirm and request. So to get this to work, I have to add these settings to my DNS, to my name server. So I'm going to copy this first value. I'm going to come over to Cloudflare here. I'm going to add a record, CNAME, make sure proxy is turned off. Paste that first value. Copy the second value and paste it into the target, and then click save. And you make sure the proxy's off. And then click continue. And then the validation can take some time. It can take a minute. It can be nearly instantaneous. No, see there, it's already been issued. So we're good there. So the next thing I'm going to do, of course, is come to CloudFront here. I'm going to create a distribution. Click Get Started. I'm going to choose the bucket that I want to use. I'm going to change this redirect HTTP to HTTPS. And then down here in my alternate domain names, it was mycdn.mediacloud.dev. I'm going to choose my custom SSL certificate that we just created. And everything else is totally fine. I'm going to create the distribution. Now, distributions take a while. So what we need to do to get this subdomain thing working is to set up our CNAME in our DNS thing. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come back to Cloudflare. I'm going to add a CNAME. Target, and it was mycdn. Turn off the proxy. Click save. And now we're just going to wait for this to deploy, and then we'll test it. Okay, so it's deployed now. And here it is. So let's go to Media Cloud here. We'll go to Cloud Storage. We're going to go to CDN settings. mycdn.mediacloud.dev. Is that right? That's right? mycdn. Great. Save the changes. Let's upload a file. And there we go. You'll see that it's coming from my custom domain here, which is obviously CloudFront. And that's it. Now, again, there's a lot more that you can do with CloudFront, but I'm not going to get into that. Google is your friend. That's it. Take care.